guys, so today I'm playing Eat or Die. The big man cannot get you. You gotta eat correctly already. I'm gonna try to go in. I'll sit up in here. Hold up. Let me get all of my candies. Hey, I don't play about my candies. Don't make he can't get me. I'll be the last person standing. Because this chart I was not running to him. Never, ever, ever. They are his target. I don't know what's happening there. I see all of that hair though. Weird, okay. I'm doing a different stuff. I want to be Mr. Chubbs. I want to be Mr. Chubbs. I'm the NA because I just changed my character. I want to be Mr. Chubbs. Oh, he's so cute. It's chubby, but we want me. Okay. Time to eat this because, yeah, I gotta eat. So, I forgot who was Chubbs. Who's Chubbs? I already forgot. She must have loved the game. She probably didn't want to be Chubbs. Victory for us! Or did she die? Finally, everybody has on them. Okay, I want to be Mr. Chubbs. Obviously, pick me. I want to be Mr. Chubbs. I don't even know when it's me or not. Yes, I'm Chubbs. I am Chubbs. I am lucky. I am Chubbs, and I've been like hoping I'll be Chubbs. Chubbs. Punch, punch. If I need to eat candy myself. You just ran into me. You just ran into me. Y'all just ran into me. You just ran into me, and you're the only one I'll get you. No matter if I have, okay? There's only one person alive, and I don't see my target. Lots of time. I need to find that target. Because if not, I'm going to be dead. I need to find that target. Elliot's alive. I won because me. Victory slowly reads. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I would. I shot the BB gun. I'm not gonna be Chubbs. I want that animation. I need Gamer Girl, Princess, and I'm Fran, so I can see that animation. Cause I really want that animation. Fine. Finally, so. Oh wow, she literally declined the whole entire thing. Get. Oh, she was right. Oh, but she's probably a ghost. Oh, we got pies. I love this one. Got pies. They stealing my donuts. They stealing my pies. They stealing everything. My pies. I need my donuts. I need all of my stuff. Donuts. Tacos. Oh, I need everything. All the foods. All the foods. This is my food. Oh my God. That girl do not. Look. She don't got here. Gosh. We better run for our life. Get the food. Oh, I just did a cartwheel and I'm that fat. Okay. All of the food is taken. Oh my God. That girl just passed all over us. Oh, I can get up here. She'll never find me, right? Right. She might find me and break down the house, but I'll be jumping. She's bald-headed, bro. Even I want bald-headed. I'm scared. I don't want to die. But she doesn't have much time left, so. I mean, I probably won't be good at her job. Wow, I think she just passed all where she's at, but I can't see her. But I can see, like, the truck. Gotta make sure that she doesn't come near me. Woo! Oh, I'm so scared. I don't know where she's at. I won't sell because I'm so skinny. Well, you probably can't die because of that. can't even jump no higher no more. Oh yeah, because the taller you get, the higher you jump anyway. I get it. Lord, run it. Oh my god, die. The very last she lost me. Oh my god. I'm even dead now. What's wrong? I'm a lovey. You deserve a high five. You won, girl. You won. Yeah, good job. How am I? Say, good job. Good job. Good job. I know what's wrong with me. Okay. Well, if you did like this video, I'll comment down below and I'll do more videos like this, and peace.